Anyway, I got my buddy Vic behind the camera today. Because today's a good day. Today's a very exciting day. Because today, I got a notification on my phone. It said someone had subscribed to my channel. I knew I was close. But I didn't know how close. And I pulled it up. We're at 100 subscribers!
Bam, you're special kind of stupid, ain't you?
Anyways, guys, so in honor of that, I got my boy Victor here. We're not doing something big because I have been sick for a week and I haven't been able to make a video because I've been sick and I've been feeling really bad. But today we're going to be showing you how to fix a pull cord on a lawnmower. This seems to be a really common issue. Pull cords break and stuff like that, and I honestly don't know how to do it myself. So today we're going to be learning together. I'll be taking you through the process, showing you exactly what bolts to take out, etc., etc. It'll be a pretty detailed video, unlike some of my other ones where I just kind of do a time lapse of me taking apart. This one will be like showing individual bolts coming out, or I'll take them out and then show you exactly which ones I took out, etc., etc. And yeah, guys. So I hope you enjoy this one, and I'll see you at the end. All right, guys. So for this first step, I hope you can't see. You can't see this up here. I'll roll it forward real quick. Okay. So right here, I have this safety handle on this thing. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull it back. Okay. Pull this back over here, sorry. Alright. What you want to do is, for mine I got to put it here. Pull this handle back. Can we come over and hold this, please? Sure. Then, you want to pull your cord out. Okay. Try not to start it, you know. Put you a pair of vice grips on there to hold that there. Then you can start disassembling the top of it. Okay. So it turned out I was incorrect. You still have to do that, but not yet.
Can you not kill yourself while you're trying to do that?
I want to pull that. So basically I just took out this one bolt here. There was one here, but it was already gone. So one here, one here. You may have more, you may have less, but basically you just want to remove this front cover. Alright, then let's repeat those steps. So,
can you try not to start rolling more?
Here, grab that and pull it. There we go. Then vice grip it down. I know this looks like it's full length, but this is actually max, and you still have to be able to pull it.
You're liking that new 18 volt set, aren't you?
No. Alright, so like I said, I've never actually done this before, but we're figuring it out together. So, I've taken this apart. This is basically just your, this is basically what pulls it and stuff.
It's a chainy thingy.
Basically, these two grooves right here lock down inside of the cylinder. Whenever you pull it, it turns those two grooves, turns this part, starts it. Okay, that's how the machine works. Now, this right here, there's a spring in here. Okay, and you don't want to have to rewind the spring, is what I've been told. So, we have to somehow unknot that while keeping it taut and put a new one in it. Haven't quite figured out how we're going to do that yet. So I'm going to figure that out and I'm going to get back to you. But basically, I removed this. There were 3 bolts. One went here. Not there, that bolt's in. One went here. One was there. Then there was another one right there. So 3 bolts. This is a, what is this, Victor? A Murray 22-inch, 4.5-inch horsepower. This is an old mower. This isn't anything new, so just so y'all know, this is an old lawnmower.
This ain't anything special or...
Yeah, this is like a $100 lawnmower.
This is a classic lawnmower. This is basically old Chevrolet of lawnmowers, I'm telling you. Restore, man.
I'm sorry, I'm a Ford guy, my bad.
Oh, I'm a Ford guy, bad.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, what is your truck?
Oh, my truck?
Yeah.
Oh, it's dead. My truck isn't a thing.
But yeah, but who made it?
I think it was a guy named, like, Ford or something like that.
Oh, yeah?
Probably not a Ford or something.
Yeah.
By the way, if,
definitely not a Ford.
If Milwaukee wants to send a, you know...
Oh, yeah, guys, that's my new 18-volt. We're using it today. Sweet. Okay, so basically the way this works is, I'm trying to get to where you guys can see. This rope winds around the outside in between this metal and this plastic right here. Okay, and whenever you hold it tight, Victor. Okay, thank you. Whenever you get to the end of it, if I can, it's very difficult to write as crap out here. Okay, there it is. So that knot right there, whenever it gets to the end of it, that knot is straight. Okay, and you're at the very end of it. What you have to do is, you better put your finger on that little tiny bump right there, on the side of it so it doesn't pull back. Alright, so it doesn't take a lot to hold it, I don't think, does it?
Not really.
Alright, so
it hurts
then,
a little bit because there's a lot of pressure, but other than that, it's fine.
So basically what you want to do then is pull it out, cut this one off, pull it out, push in your new one, tie the knot, pull it tight, and then let it wind itself. Okay, but you need to hold that back while I do this next part, okay?
Okay, let me get a better grip on it then. Let me just stick my finger in that. That'll be better.
Okay. So, then there's that too. There's these little grooves in here. Oh yeah, those hold way better, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Okay.
Ah!
Please don't. As of right now, we can still fix it, but please don't. Anyway. Okay, so that's how you do that. And then if you need to replace this spring, you have to pop out these rivets right here. But we're not doing that. This is just the lawnmower cord replacement. I hope you guys understand how to do it. If you don't, be sure to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Video on that.
Alright, so are you done? Alright, so what you're gonna do, I've already cut it off, pull it out, and then try to feed in your new one. Hopefully you can do it easy. No?
No, fuck you.
Not today. Please? Please, Mr. Cord.
Oh, it's like a win in.
Okay. We're going to get this done because I need both hands for this apparently. And then we're going to get back to you. Alright, so we got the rope through. Now basically you want to make a knot. And then what I would do is I would take a lighter and burn that knot because that's going to melt this nylon together really well. So that knot should not come untied. So that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to go ahead and tie a knot in it.
What?
I said knot.
Oh.
So we're going to go ahead and tie a knot in it and then we'll be done. Basically, I'm going to set you guys up on this table for this last part, which is where we're going to tie this handle on. Basically, it's going to be the same process. Tie a big knot in it so it holds in there good and tight, and then you're good to go. That's pretty much the process.
Press to both legs. That's what you do to get big biceps.
And a big
tricep.
Full disclaimer, I made that knot too small originally and I burned it. That was a mistake. I should not have burned it. Make sure whenever you do it, you make this knot bigger than I did, and if you want to burn it lightly like I did down there. Don't put it to the point of melting like I did up here because it broke. It was too weak and that was my bad. So now I'm going to demonstrate that it works by pulling this a couple, like 3, 4, 5, 6 times. I don't know how many times I'll do it, but I just want to show you guys that it works really well. Is it recording?
No, you just heard a click, right?
Okay. Alright everyone, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I want to thank you for 100 subscribers. It's been a great, 2 years since I've been posting every week. I've been on here for a while, but I've been trying to get one done every week because I know that you guys want to see them. I enjoy making them. So I'm glad we're all in this together.
I enjoy watching and making them because I don't have to do much.
So anyways, guys, thank you for 100 subscribers one more time. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.
Look at that.
Now, how many toes are sitting there that you started on top of it?
At least 7.
You trying to start on top of my damn little flower?
Behind the scenes. That's your hammer?
That's my hammer. Right. It ain't my fault your mama dresses you funny.
Mama don't dress me funny.
Well, she should.
She dresses her damn self funny.
Oh,
That's
bad.
good to know.
Not me. She dresses herself funny.
Okay. So that explains why you dress funny, right? Come by honestly.
Sound like him now.
Yep. David, there's this weird box floating around your head on the camera, but I don't see it in real life. Well, something must be up.
Must be Satan.
That's what I'm thinking. Still.
Look, we got it on camera.
We got it on camera. We gotta report this to the. Who are they?
What?
Foley's or something.
Say, you got, if you could dip the end of my damn thing in water, it almost didn't lie.
They did too lot.
Is she cussing the dog enough?
I don't think so.
Well, maybe if he wasn't eating the dead ass bunny.
It ate it. It ate a
Dead
dead.
ass bunny.